One by one. Hello, you're listening me? One by one. Please quote the determinant properties, man.
Your video is off, sir.
You want to see my face? I did not shave, man. You also mute then. You unmute your audio and video one by one. Come on to the video, quote one property, go off. Is the deal done?
Yes, sir.
Because I am forced to recognize you only by voice, man. I generally recognize my students by faces and names, but here only through voice. So do one thing, one by one, come on to the video, quote one property, go off if you want. Chalo. I can see Jasim. Chalo, ek property bolo.
Sir, determinant can be calculated from any row or any column.
Come on. Thank you. Correct. Next.
If all the entries of a row or a column are 0, the determinant is 0.
Very good. Chalo, next. Third, or koi. Please put them in the order in which I gave in the notes. I can see Muhammad Zaid.
If we interchange a row or a column, then the determinant change its sign.
Very good. Super. Keep it up. Next.
Sir, two rows or columns are identical, then the determinant is 0.
Very good. Next. Next. Come on, Mike. Come on, video. Quote one property, go off.
Sir?
Yeah, Ahmad Raza Hussain. Go on, man. I'm listening. Go on.
Delta phi is equal to delta phi transpose.
Very good. Chalo, next.
That of AB is equals to.
Come on, Mike. Come on, video. Quote one property, go off. I'm waiting.
Sir, if cyclic order is maintained, that is same.
I could hear you, but I cannot see you. Who is this?
Sufyan Mujib.
You are there on video?
And not on video, sir.
Sufyan Mujib. You can't come on video?
No, sir, I don't have a camera right now.
Okay then. No issues. Next. Anybody? Come on video.
Sir, delta of AB is equal to delta of A into delta of B.
I want a new student, man. You already told, no? Abdul Rahim.
Yes, sir.
I want a new student. Come on, waiting here. सम्मान उमर जहीरुद्दीन अदनान बहुत सारे हैं ना जी रोज मेरे को। और अबरार कहाँ गया? दिन में 50 पूछता। अबरार कहाँ गायब हो गए?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
The determinant of orthogonal matrix or involuntary matrix is plus or minus 1, and the determinant of idempotent matrix is 0 or 1.
Very good. Super. Keep it up, man. Very
Thanks.
good. Rahib. Very good. Next.
If two rows or two columns of a given depth are interchanged, then depth value will change its
Who is this? I cannot see the
sign.
face. Who is this? At least tell the name, man.
Mausam Karam Sharif.
Can't come on video.
No, sir, I'm having problem with my.
Yeah. Go on. Once again. I did not hear you.
If two rows or two columns of a given depth are interchanged, then that value will change its algebraic sign.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Next. Come on video. Karimnagar, Yaduno. Class lewa.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So for triangular matrix, scalar matrix, and unit matrix, determinant is the product of diagonal entries.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up, man. Very good. Next. Come on video. Quote one property and go off. Chalo. Come fast.
Sir,
Yes.
if AP, TQ, TR are the P, Q, and R the terms of an AP respectively, then their determinant is 0.
You that's a problem, man. And that problem also you are coding it wrong. You did not tell the problem correctly. Where you are invisible. Abrar hai na?
Sir,
Abrar. It's not a property, Abrar. It's a problem. You're on mute. Unmute your mic.
sir, property, sir.
It's a problem, man, not property. Taking an element common from a row or a column is the property of determinant, but not of a matrix. That is, first row, lambda A, lambda B, lambda C. Second row, PQR. Third row, XYZ. Determinant equals to, first row में से lambda common, A, B, C, PQR, XYZ. From this, what's the property we have? Determinant of lambda A is equals to lambda cube into det A. When it will be lambda cube? When A is of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of lambda A is equals to lambda power n into determinant of A. When does this happen? When A is a matrix of order n cross n. Is it not the property of determinant?
That is a property. The determinant of a skew-symmetric matrix of an odd order is 0.
Very good, Abrar. Very good, Abrar. Keep it up. Next, any more properties? Anybody want to come on video and tell and quote?
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah. Even if you don't have video also, no problem, man. I want all the properties to be exhausted.
Sir, det of A is equals to det of A transpose.
Who is this?
Mohammed
Tell the name.
Zainuddin Adnan.
Yeah, Adnan, bolo.
Det of A is equals to det of A transpose.
Very good. Next. Anybody? Did we exhaust all?
If a given row or a column has all its entries 0, then the date value is 0.
Already over, man. 2 बार 3 बार बोले. Next.
Sir,
Yes.
det of lambda equal to lambda power na of order n cross n.
Very good. Correct. Next. Chalo, we'll start.
Sir,
Yes.
yesterday in Cengage I saw a problem, sir. I'm not understanding it. Can you please solve it?
Tell the problem.
Prove that A not equal to 0.
Huh?
Prove that A not equal to 0.
Okay.
Determinant of x plus 1 x plus a x plus a square is equal to 0 represents a straight line parallel to y axis.
That is application, man. You leave it without doing straight
Okay,
lines
sir.
and all. How can you do that? Understood what am I trying to say?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसको application बोलते. Without knowing straight lines, how can you do that? Shall I? Look here. Look here. First, chore method. Bachalo, what's the chore method?
Put 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3.
Can I put A0, B0, C0?
No.
Because all the four options will become 0. Can I make one of them 0?
No,
If
sir.
I make A0 or B0, both these options will become 0. In fact, three options will become 0. You should not always do A1, B2, 3, C3. Sometimes that calculation also will become lengthy. You give a substitution so that all the four are distinct and numbers are small. How about A1, B minus 1, C2? A1, B minus 1, C2. What will be first option?
-2.
Option A. बच्चे लोग option A. Option B. बोलो मैम.
-1.
B. Option C. -1, -2. Option D. Are all the four distinct? Are all the four distinct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now substituting the problem. Substituting, what you will get? What is B square, C square? B square 1, C square 4. C square, A square. C square, A square. A square, B square. BC. CA. AB. B plus C. B plus C is how much?
1.
B plus C is how much? 1. Sorry. C plus A.
3.
A plus B.
0.
क्या करना? अब जो करना है करो. Tell me this dead value.
0. Zero. Zero, sir.
0, sir. 0.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which option?
B.
एग्जाम में एज करना. आई रिपीट, एग्जाम में एज करना, एग्जाम में एज करना, एज करना, एज करना, लेकिन क्लास में नहीं करना. क्लास में हम मेथड सीखेंगे. If you do this way, you won't learn any subject. Do this way. Now look here. What's the best way to tackle the situation here? I can take things, एक पूरा रो उठा सकता हूं मैं. Sorry, I can lift entire column. I can take this entire column with one small manipulation. What is missing here?
A. A.
What is missing here?
B.
What is missing here?
C.
C. So what I'll do? R1 multiplied by A divided by A. R2 multiplied by B divided by B. R3 multiplied by C divided by C. Look here. 1 by ABC, or I'll put correct way. 1 by A. This is for
Row 1.
this is for
Row 2.
this is for
Row 3.
somebody disturbance at your end, please mute your mic. So row 1 को किससे multiply करना?
A.
A से. What does your row 1 becomes? बोलो बोलो. रो 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना? रो 2 को बी से. रो 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना? रो 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना? सी. सी. हाँ. Come on, complete the problem now. Even if you close your eyes, you should see the answer. आंख बंद करे तो भी आंसर दिखेगा.
Sir?
हाँ.
Nothing, sir. Understood. Yes, sir.
अपराध से सफर करो, सॉल्व करो.
No, sir, I had a doubt that why can't you multiply it directly with column 2? But now I understood, sir.
हेलो, आंसर आ गया बोल के कामोस पढ़ दे. स्पीक आउट मैन.
1 minute, sir. Going.
What I can take common?
ABC from column 2.
यहाँ से ए भी, यहाँ से भी कॉमन, यहाँ से भी कॉमन. This is from where? This is from where? What it means? बोलो मैन.
BC, AC, 1, 1, 1.
Can anybody give me an idea next?
Sir, subtract column 1 from column 3. No, sir. Row,
समान नंबर है ना. मैं एक हिंट दूं. डायरेक्ट है जी, अब करने की जरूरत.
Sir, subtract column 1 with BC into column 1.
Sir, add all the columns, sir.
एक ही स्टेप. यू कैन सी द आंसर. ये दोनों ऐड करो. रिप्लेस कॉलम 3 बाई कॉलम 3 प्लस कॉलम 1. ये दोनों ऐड करो, क्या देगा?
AB plus AC.
AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. थर्ड कॉलम से क्या उठा सकते हैं? AB
plus BC plus CA.
Third column will become 1, 1, 1. Second column is already 1, 1, 1. Get value 0. All of you. Is a step clear? मैं फिर से बता रहा हूं, आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन. लुक हियर मैन, ऐड दीस टू. यहाँ ऐड करो या यहाँ ऐड करो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. कॉलम 3 you replace by column 3 you replace by column 3 you replace by column 3 plus column 1, column 3 plus column 1. What does your column 3 becomes? AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. थर्ड कॉलम से आप क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? AB plus BC plus CA कॉमन. थर्ड कॉलम क्या बनेगा? 1 1 1. सेकंड कॉलम 1 1 1. Get value 0. Complete the formalities. और column में once row operation get 2 zeros. That's also you can solve. But this is much more simple. आया आंसर? बच्चे लोग आंसर आया?
Zero, sir.
ABC into 1 AB plus next CA 1 BC plus AB plus CA. Next AB 1 AC plus BC plus A. You can clearly see थर्ड कॉलम से आप क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? AB plus BC plus CA. BC 1 1, CA 1 1, AB 1 1. Two rows equal, that value 0. Next, here chore method is easy in this. Classical method is very lengthy and very tricky. Too many tricks.
Forty-four, sir. K equal to.
Equal to? करीमनगर बोलो आंसर
44.
44
Yes, sir.
और थोड़ा कम वैल्यू नहीं मिला? I'm waiting for an answer.
Sir, I got 6.
Should I? शोर मेथड तो भी आसान है ना जी, वो तो भी बोला आंसर.
Sir, 4.
शोर मेथड से आंसर आप 44 बोले इससे पहले.
Sir, by mistake.
शोर मेथड आसान है, आंसर 4 वो तो भी बोलो. व्हाट यू कैन डू? इजी मैन. व्हाट यू सब्स्टिट्यूट? डायरेक्ट के होना तो क्या करना?
A equal to C equal to 1.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. राइट हैंड साइड के. दिस इज सिंपल, लेकिन क्लासिकल मेथड इज वेरी ट्रिकी. Too many tricks involved. First, K value 1. बचे लोग. I want answer. Adnan, K value
4, sir.
4, sir.
4, sir.
next. Look here. Shall I proceed? Now look here.
Yes.
A square, B square, C square है. So answer आने के लिए every term should become square. Every term should become square. For that, what I'll do is R1 को R2 को R3 को what does it gives you? 1 by A. This is for row 1. This is for row 2. This is for row 3. Bolo, what does your row 1 becomes? Bolo, man. AB square. Am I correct? Row 1. Row 1. Row 2. You are multiplying by B. You are multiplying by B. You are multiplying by B. Row 1, I multiplied by A. Row 2, I multiplied by B. Row 3, I am multiplying by C. What does it gives you? C square A, C square B, A square C. Now one step you are through, man. Idea you should get. I am waiting.
Sir, write column 1 as column 1 in column 1 minus B column 2 C column C.
Already life complicated है. आप और
Sir, we will get
complicated
0. We will
करो.
get 0 in the first element. Sir.
Sir, add column 1, column 2, and column 3. And replace the column 1.
Sir, adding row 1 and row 2.
No man, एक चीज साफ दिख रहा. Look at first column. कुछ आइडिया आ रहा?
Sir, row 2 minus row 1.
नहीं. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, since they are always closed. Look at first column. Look at second column. Look at third column. What is your observation? बोलो. First column देखो क्या करना.
Other two terms we are adding, we are getting the other
First column
terms.
अरे फर्स्ट कॉलम देखो क्या दिख रहा.
A comma.
Row 2 plus row 3 equals row 1.
Row 1.
अरे फर्स्ट कॉलम देखो तो रो 2 प्लस रो 3 क्या है जी. You listen to my words, man. Look at first column, कुछ दिख रहा है. Stare at first column. Stare at first column. Keep on staring. Don't mind. I don't mind if you stare till tomorrow. My Zoom connection rent will go up. I don't mind. Stare at first column. What is your observation? अरे ये कॉमन है ना जी हर टर्म में. ये पूरे स्पेस बच जाते हैं. Look at
Sir, I
second
said,
column.
sir.
B second column.
Sir, I said. Sir, if we do that, we will get the same question again, sir.
You will not get same question. Man, कौन है वो?
No, sir, no, sir.
I didn't make a mistake. A square B plus A square C square B plus A square B. Hello. Look at first column. Look at second column. Look at third column. कौन है वो? We'll get the same question. बोले सो. कैसा आता same question? देखो. ये. B. C. ये. B. C. आइडिया आया? आना. 1 by ABC. बच्चे लोग बोलो. A कॉमन, B कॉमन, C कॉमन. फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या लगा था? फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या रह जाता, सेकंड कॉलम में, थर्ड कॉलम में, सॉरी थर्ड एंट्री, सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम. Hello, is this determinant solving easy or this determinant solving easy? This determinant solving easy. Why? Right hand side also in terms of a square b square. अब तो सॉल्व करना आसान है, चलो चुटकी में सॉल्व करना, चलो. आ गया आइडिया? See how simple substitution was. एक लाइन में आंसर लिख दिया, substitution मेथड. आइडिया आया? आया आइडिया? कोई आइडिया देगा नेक्स्ट क्या करना?
Sir, write column 1 as column 1 plus column 2.
Column 1 as
Column 1 plus column 2. And column 2 as column 2 plus column 3. No, sir. No.
सिंपल है जी. ये दोनों ऐड करो ना, इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. R1 replaced by R1 minus of determinant. When I add these two, what do you get?
B square plus C square.
इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, what does it becomes?
0.
Add these two, what does it becomes?
2C square plus A square.
2c square plus a square. A square minus of 2c square plus a square. What do it means?
Minus 2C square.
Add these two.
A square plus 2B square.
Add these two. A square plus 2b square. Subtract करो. What remains?
Minus 2B square.
Now, b square कुछ सूझ रहा है, कुछ सूझ रहा है, सूझ रहा है, रहा है, रहा है। फर्स्ट रो से क्या कॉमन ले सकते हो? What remains? Or y minus 2, just take 2 common. You'll have a better idea. बोलो बोलो अब 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 बोलो 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 बोलो।
सर
नेक्स्ट क्या करना? आंसर दिख जाता,
सर
आंसर दिख जाता। क्या करना? क्या करना? R2
Row 2
replace
add
by
row 2 plus row 1.
R3 replace by
Row 3 plus row 1.
now you get the answer.
So in a determinant, we should do only 2 row operations or 2 column operations, right?
बोलो, what will I get? 0 minus c square minus b square. आंसर आ गया जी?
B square
आंसर आ गया? ये दोनों ऐड करो क्या देगा?
square
Yes, sir.
ये दोनों ऐड करो क्या देगा?
B square
ये दोनों जी,
A square.
ये दोनों ऐड करो, ये दोनों ऐड करो,
C square.
ये दोनों ऐड करो,
C square, sir.
ये दोनों ऐड करो। मगर
yes sir
So column 1, row 3, C square, sir.
कॉलम 1
Row
Yes,
3,
sir.
C square.
not 0 C square
C square plus 0, C square, sir.
where man?
Column 1, row 3. A31.
yes sir
Now expand this. I think what you will get?
Two A square, C square, B square.
This is method. Direct substitution method, first step. Now the next one. The very famous examiner's favorite mains advanced question. Very important. Number of positive integral solutions of. Write the equation. I will send some assignments on adjoint and inverse, but that will be for next week. The assignments which I send tomorrow will be for next week. Same thing, same problem. Here you cannot use any substitution method. जो भी अब तक करे, try to make everything x cube, y cube, z cube. वो बाकी के terms delete करने की कोशिश करो. Try making all terms x cube, y cube, z cube. X cube, y cube, z cube बनाने की कोशिश करो. Same thing. First row by x, second row by y, third row by z will give the answer. Come on. Whatever methods we used so far, same method once again. Come on. Shall I? Whatever we have done, two problems.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Today. Same method.
1 minute, sir. Wait, sir, please.
एक स्टेप करूं? किसको? ये किसको? ये किसको? What is my first row? बच्चे लोग फर्स्ट रो, बच्चे लोग फर्स्ट रो,
x power 4 plus x. X cube by
सेकेंड रो,
y cube x. Y power 4 plus y. Y cube z.
थर्ड रो,
Z cube x. Z cube by z power 4 plus 1 by z. X y z common.
आइडिया आना, आइडिया आना, आइडिया आना। फर्स्ट फर्स्ट कॉलम में विलन क्या है? विलन क्या है? यकस 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 विलन। सेकंड कॉलम में विलन क्या है? वाई वाई वाई। थर्ड कॉलम में विलन क्या है? जेड जेड जेड। फर्स्ट कॉलम से एक्स उठाओ, सेकंड कॉलम से वाई उठाओ, थर्ड कॉलम से जेड उठाओ। We have done this. This is the third or fourth problem of the day, which we are using same method.
Sir.
Don't talk in the middle. Bolo.
Sir, I got x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 10.
Yes, sir.
There I am stuck.
You are not stuck. There the problem is over. What's the possible solution? 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 cube.
8.
1 plus 1
10.
10 because positive integral solutions. That's the only possibility. 1 by x y z, x common from column 1, y common from column 2, z common from column 3. फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या रह गया? सेकंड में, थर्ड में, ये दोनों कट गए। क्या करना? Adding columns. Adding columns. Does it help? No. Columns add करने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Columns add करने से कुछ नहीं होगा। Time waste. Time
Row add, sir.
वेस्ट वेस्ट क्या ऐड करना
Sir,
रुश
rows.
रुश
R1 will be R2 plus R3.
all the three. When you add all the three rows, what does it gives you? X cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 1. X cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 1. X cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 1. So row 1, you replace by can I take directly common? Can I write directly? Hello? Can I take that common directly or should I write one more step?
Directly, sir.
What remains? 1 x cube. Next, sorry. 1 common area na? 1 रो में वंश या कॉलम में वंश रो में वंश या कॉलम में वंश रो में वंश या कॉलम में वंश रो में वंश तो कौन सा फिक्स करेंगे R1 फिक्स कॉलम 1 फिक्स करेंगे जी कॉलम 2 यू रिप्लेस बाय कॉलम 3 यू रिप्लेस बाय अब आंसर लो बोलो what does it gives you 1
1 0 0. No, 1 y cube z cube 0 1
1 0.
0
next
0 0 1.
ये डेटा वैल्यू क्या होता है जी 1 what's the possibility x2 y1 z1 this is called permutation इस 2 को घुमा सकते ना
Yes, sir.
Sir.
घुमाओ और कुछ घुमाओ
1 1 2.
घुमा भाई और कुछ घुमा भाई
No, sir.
and any more घुमा भाई no more घुमा भाई how many solutions
3.
examiner's favorite advanced question can I proceed
Yes, sir. Completed.
एक नया डेफिनेशन इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगा इसका डिटेल्स हम लोग जो है वन से कराऊंगा. We will solve applications of this from Monday. These are called adjoint and inverse. इसका इंट्रो अभी, डिटेल्स नेक्स्ट क्लास. We first discussed matrices, then we discussed determinants. Now again we'll go back to some matrices. Okay, A be a matrix. Cofactor matrix of A का ट्रांसपोज होगा adjoint. What do you mean by cofactor matrix of A? What do you mean by cofactor matrix of A? Replace every entry of matrix A by its cofactor. उसको बोलते हैं cofactor matrix. उस cofactor matrix का transpose ले लो. That will be called adjoint of a matrix. That is denoted by ADJ bracket में A. That is, what is CFM of A? A का cofactor. Delete the row, delete the column. The A11, A12, what sign? Minus. B का cofactor, C. C का cofactor, delete the row, delete the column. C का entry, A21, 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 minus 1 whole power I plus J, minus. C का cofactor, B. D का cofactor, A. इसको क्या करना? ट्रांसपोज करना. करो ट्रांसपोज, क्या देगा?
minus C A.
D minus B.
Minus C A.
What you have done? D minus B minus C A. You interchange these two. ये दोनों को minus sign. Interchange these two, multiply by minus sign. Remember, this is useful only for 2 cross 2. 3 cross 3 में लंबा चौड़ा दिल्ली से मुंबई तक पूरा करना पड़ता. Only 2 cross 2, simple technique. The technique in 2 cross 2 is interchange these two, multiply these two by minus. That's it. Now, this is called adjoint of. What do you mean by inverse? एक number A है. Let A be any non-zero real number. For a real number A, if there exists a B such that AB is equal to BA is equal to 1, then what do you mean by that, man? A का inverse is B. है ना? If A is any real number, non-zero, AB is equal to BA is equal to Y, then A का inverse is B. Same idea in matrices. A into B is equal to identity matrix, then A inverse. Details on this, notes on this, once again explanation on this. I spoke about 2 cross 2 matrix. We'll discuss about 3 cross 3 matrix on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. बोल रहा था, बोलो सुन रहा हूँ मैं